A well-crafted cleaning contract is the foundation of a successful cleaning business. It protects your interests, clarifies expectations, and establishes a professional relationship with your clients. Cleaning contracts are legally binding agreements between a cleaning service provider and the client who uses their services. They outline the scope, frequency, cost, and terms of the cleaning services to be provided. Without a proper contract, both parties risk misunderstandings, disputes, and potential legal issues. The cleaning industry continues to grow steadily. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, janitorial services are among the expanding industries in the commercial market. This makes sense when you consider that every occupied building requires regular cleaning to maintain its value and functionality. If you're considering starting a cleaning business, you'll need certain qualities: good judgment, organizational skills, execution ability, salesmanship, and fortitude. The startup costs are relatively low, with a commercial-grade vacuum being the most significant investment. Other essential supplies include glass cleaner, disinfectant, toilet bowl cleaner, trash bags, cleaning cloths, all-purpose cleaner, spray bottles, mops, buckets, dust wands, and scrapers. A comprehensive cleaning contract should include several key elements. First, detail the specific services to be provided. Be explicit about what will and won't be cleaned. Second, outline the cost of services and payment terms, including when payment is due and acceptable payment methods. Third, specify insurance requirements to protect both parties. Fourth, clearly define the responsibilities of each party. Fifth, include indemnification clauses that limit liability. Beyond these basics, strong contracts also address termination conditions. How much notice is required? Must it be in writing? What reasons justify termination? These details help both parties end the relationship professionally if necessary. To further strengthen your cleaning contract, consider adding performance standards that define quality metrics and inspection frequency. Establish communication protocols for reporting and addressing service issues. Clarify who provides cleaning supplies and equipment. Include force majeure clauses to protect both parties from liability during uncontrollable events like natural disasters. Specify dispute resolution methods and add non-solicitation clauses to prevent clients from hiring your employees directly. When drafting your contract, avoid common mistakes. Don't use vague descriptions of services. Specify exactly which rooms, fixtures, and surfaces will be cleaned. Never omit payment terms, including exact amounts, billing cycles, and late payment penalties. Always disclose licensing and insurance information. Include emergency procedures for situations like lockouts or security system issues. Consider adding a sign-off sheet to document completed services and client satisfaction. A well-structured cleaning contract should contain the schedule of cleaning, whether weekly, bi-weekly, or one time. It should specify the location, date, and time of service. Include complete client contact information and payment details, including any deposits required. Clarify whether the client or service provider will supply equipment and cleaning products. List the specific services to be provided in detail. Outline termination conditions and include signature lines for both parties. Cleaning contracts do more than formalize business relationships. They're essential tools for growth and client retention. With clear expectations established, clients know exactly what they're getting, which builds trust and reduces misunderstandings. Contracts also give cleaning businesses leverage to negotiate better rates and expand services over time. To win more cleaning contracts, especially commercial ones, respond to requests for proposals from local governments, schools, and corporations. Build relationships with property managers who often need reliable cleaning services. Create a strong online presence with testimonials and service information. Consider offering trial periods or discounts to new clients. Always provide proof of insurance and certifications and highlight eco-friendly cleaning options to differentiate your business. Remember that even for one-time cleaning jobs, a contract protects both parties by clarifying expectations and terms. While you can draft your own cleaning contract using the guidelines discussed, having an attorney review any legal document before signing or presenting it to clients is always recommended. A professional, comprehensive cleaning contract reflects your business's credibility and can be the difference between struggling to find clients and building a thriving cleaning enterprise with long-term customer relationships.